Hello, welcome to my video, welcome back if you've been here before, and hi if you are new. I'm Pixie, and today I am on Jingle, which is my island, and in all honesty, I didn't know if I was going to upload this video because it's a bit of a higgledy-piggledy kind of filming, because majority of it was terraforming, which I showed a little bit and I cut loads out, but we're making sort of a boardwalk slash fish market and a big canal slash sea bit. I said that I wanted more water on my island, and basically that is what I did. Now all the water connects to each other, and yeah, it took me a long time to do this. That's the boardwalk itself, and yes, I did change the colour, and I will tell you now, that pattern, to understand, is one of the hardest patterns I've ever done. I could not get my head around it. It took me a really long time. It looks simple, it's not. I will put the pattern down below in the description box if anybody else wants to struggle like I did. But yeah, like I say, I wasn't going to upload this video, but I thought I might as well. Some people might enjoy watching it. And yeah, so this is me filling the boardwalk, and it ends up being such a beautiful build. So I'm glad you get to see it because I'm really proud of it. All these items here are what I'm going to use for the build, and it's just back and forth, getting stuff, placing stuff, back and forth, etc. I cut out most of the back and forth, but yes, I hope you enjoy it anyway, or at least it'll give you some inspiration if you watch it on like 2 times fast, which will make it super fast. But yes, I hope you're okay. Subscribe if you like this kind of content. I promise they're not all as manic as this video, but I didn't want to waste it. I spent so long doing this. But yeah, subscribe, like it if you want to. No pressure though, and I will speak to you at the end. build, and I uploaded it so you guys could see this little montagey bit that I've created at the end. I think this is so beautiful. It's my favourite thing currently on my island. I don't think my island necessarily has a theme. We've spoke about this. It's sort of multi-theme, but kind of all goes together. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the manic craziness of this video. I hope it hasn't stressed you out too much. But I'm proud of it. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to. Give it a like if you think it's worth liking. And hopefully I will see you in the next video. Fingers crossed. Okay, bye!